said he weren't coming back, but he wants to trip up the Humber to Hull now. Gotta watch for the big uns. Welcome to Hull. Welcome back, Madventure fans. Yet another episode where Davey continues the painting. I know, it's a miracle. He's a changed man. He's doing painting again. Get in there. Can't fault you, lad. We're actually going to get round to doing the cockpit area, something that I've never had a chance to do in the last 3 years of having this boat. So we're going to just go out there, prep it all, get it ready for the undercoat. That's what's left of the undercoat. Just finishing off some bits while we've got the time and the weather to do it. So yeah guys, if you want to come outside and we'll show you what we're up to. So the plan of attack is to turn this to this, and this is how we did it. While I'm waiting for the paint to dry, I'm going to undo these screws because these have become loose, and there's balsa wood behind that, so I'm guessing the balsa wood's become rotten in its time. So remove the screws, open the holes, epoxy it, refix, good to go. Guys, one tin of paint, 2 coats, that's it, job done. Wait till next sailing season. What? Yeah, wait till next sailing season, I said. What do you mean? We're going to wait till next sailing season, there's no point. Winter's coming, boat's just going to get filthy, so we'll wait till next sailing season. Nice shiny coat of paint, ready for the summer ahead. All being well, this pandemic's done with, because I've got to say, I'm sick of keep taking him for tests. He keeps catching it, doesn't he? And I've had enough. It's just slowing me down all the time. Keep sitting and waiting for these tests to come back clear before we can go mingle again. But fingers crossed, guys. We're all good next summer. So I say to you guys, stay safe, stay alert, and don't listen to Boris Johnson. So that's it for this episode. All I've got to do now is wait for the epoxy to set on the front, and then we can refix the hinges on the hatch, and that's it. Don't forget to do the magic. No, ding that, ding ding ding. What's that? They never do. I know, they're terrible, Davey. I keep telling them, ding 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 ding. Do it or else they'll be right in your house. So catch you next time, guys. Stay safe and stay alert. See you later.